Welcome everyone to Wilmington. This community is sandwiched in between major freeways, the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach, which is one of the largest port complexes this side of the United States. And it's also a predominantly low-income Latino community as well. So we wanted to give people in the collaborative a sense of what we're dealing with here in Wilmington. The issue that we're working on with United for Health around health, how we're experiencing it here in Wilmington is pollution.
As you can see, these homes are middle-class homes. This refinery, you can see the toll stacks. How many people have ever seen the refinery flares or remember when the flares were all up on every stack? Raise your hand. Well, the refineries used to burn the excess gases through flares 24 hours a day non-stop. It fought for about 9 years to get the refineries to eliminate the flaring, because that's where tons and tons of chemical emissions, including those that give you cancer and asthma.
Estamos en una ciudad de alerta, de emergencia, donde necesitamos que todo el pueblo se levante y se una, organizaciones, todo lo que se pueda juntar para poder hacer algo, porque nos estamos muriendo lentamente y el cáncer está entrando como plaga y una bomba nuclear aquí en Wilmington.
It was interesting to hear the community response. I think a lot of people are shocked. Wilmington, it's very visual what you're gonna see. A huge oil refinery right in front of you, huge cranes right in front of you from the ports. I think people were very shocked. I think they were also happy to see that there's still things like community gardens. They still were able to see open space, and so I think the resilience of the community also was really came through in the tour. The most important thing is for people to know that they have a voice and that they should be able to use it. We've seen a resurgence of community organizing. This community particularly is very active. There are so many neighborhood associations, parent groups, community groups in this community that want to do so much more and want to change and want to address these issues of health in the community. And so there's a lot of energy, there's a lot of pride in this community, and there's a lot of hope. Hope from the young people that are getting involved, hope from the elders that are getting involved, and all of our organizations collaborating in United for Health to bring this to our community. What's happening here in Wilmington affects all of us, affects all of Los Angeles. Pollution has no borders. So we need to address the local impacts here in Wilmington that are impacting all of Los Angeles, because people are getting sick, people are struggling to breathe, people are dying, and so it's really important for us to work on these issues and to reduce the impacts. And the folks that are here, they should be allowed to live in a healthy community where they can be physically active, safe, walk, work, play, go to school, and worship.